Fire Extinguisher Service Center, LLC, has been in the fire protection business for over 25 years. We've been serving the Reno, Fallon, Winnemucca, Carson City, and Las Vegas areas since 1995. We've worked with large casinos, restaurants, mines, manufacturing facilities, and thousands of large and small Nevada businesses for more than 30 years. Some of the services provided by our certified technicians include, but are not limited to, fire extinguishers, restaurant fire systems, data center fire suppression systems, mining equipment fire systems, backflow prevention devices, and more. Give us a call at 775-324-0117.